Adsorption of nitrite ions using activated carbons derived from walnut shells. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In this paper, activated carbons obtained from walnut shells were used as adsorbents to remove nitrite ions from aqueous solutions. In the Republic of Moldova, walnut shells are chosen as a raw material for obtaining activated carbons in research due to their local abundance, low cost, and favorable chemical composition, which allows for the production of an efficient adsorbent material for removing pollutants from water. The novel adsorbent was obtained by modification with hydrochloric acid. The physical-chemical characteristics of activated carbons were determined from nitrogen sorption isotherms, SEMEDX, elemental analysis, FTIR, thermal analysis, and temperature programmed decomposition TPD. According to the results obtained, chlorine is retained on the surface in an amount of 2%. Chlorine increases the positive charge of the surface by forming CCl or COH plus groups. The electrostatic attraction towards nitrite ions can be improved, thus increasing the adsorption efficiency. The effect of pH on the adsorption of nitrite ions was investigated for both activated carbons CAN and CaNCl. For activated carbon CAN, an increase in pH resulted in a significant decrease in adsorption from 0.13 mg per gram at pH 3 to 0.07 mg per gram, approximately 1.8 times lower. Similarly, for activated carbon CaNCl, adsorption values decreased from 2.85 mg per gram to 0.68 mg per gram as the pH increased. These results suggest that pH plays a critical role in the adsorption capacity of activated carbons, with lower pH levels enhancing the adsorption of nitrite ions. The results of batch experiments indicate that maximum adsorption removal of nitrite ions can be achieved at pH is equal to 3, being of 0.2 mg per gram for CAN and 4.7 mg per gram for CaNCl. The modification of the surface of activated carbons with chloride ions leads to an increase in the rate and adsorption capacity of nitrite ions by approximately 50 times. To study the adsorption of nitrite ions on activated carbons, the following mathematical models were used: pseudo-first order, pseudo-second order, and intraparticle diffusion kinetic models, and Langmuir, Freundlich, Dubinin-Radushkevich, and Temkin-Pizhev isotherm models. These models were chosen to provide a comprehensive understanding of the adsorption kinetics and equilibrium behavior, allowing for the identification of the dominant adsorption mechanisms and the efficiency of the adsorbent material. The results indicate that the adsorption of nitrite ions onto activated carbons CAN and CaNCl follows the pseudo-second-order kinetic model and also aligns with the intraparticle diffusion model, suggesting that the process is primarily governed by chemisorption. Future studies should explore strategies to mitigate the impact of electrolytes on adsorption efficiency and optimize surface modifications to enhance nitrite ion removal. Additionally, investigating the regeneration potential of the modified adsorbents could improve their practicality for long-term water treatment applications. Introduction. Nitrite ions are harmful to human health, found in water sources like drinking water, streams, and lakes. Exposure to high levels can irritate the eyes, skin, and respiratory system, and in extreme cases, cause death. Nitrites can also lead to methemoglobinemia, a condition that prevents oxygen from being transported in the blood. The primary source of nitrites in water comes from agricultural fertilizer use. Various technologies are used to remove nitrite ions from water, including membrane separation, ion exchange, precipitation, and adsorption, with activated carbon being one of the most effective adsorbents. Activated carbon, known for its high porosity, has been used for water purification since 1929. This study focuses on modifying activated carbon with hydrochloric acid HCl to improve its ability to absorb nitrite ions. The modified carbon, made from walnut shells, was tested for its efficiency in removing nitrites from water, offering a potentially cost-effective solution to this environmental health problem. Conclusion: new activated carbons had been obtained from walnut shells by modifying the surface with hydrochloric acid. The surface chemistry of activated carbons has been evaluated by jointing IR spectroscopy, SEM, EDX, and temperature-programmed decomposition (TPD). The following functional groups have been identified on the surface of activated carbon: carboxylic, phenolic, carbonyl groups, and quinone. Meanwhile, on the chlorine-modified activated carbon, the chlorine groups were identified by decomposition and elimination as HCl by TPD method. The adsorption process of nitrite ions on activated carbons has been studied by applying the following models: pseudo-first-order model, pseudo-second-order model, and intraparticle diffusion model, as well as theoretic isotherms models of Langmuir, Freundlich, Temkin-Paziv, and Dubinin-Radushkevich. The experimental data are best described by the pseudo-second kinetic model and Langmuir model, suggesting that the adsorption of nitrite ions activated carbons is based on chemisorption. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.